started the Santander 1 hydropower station project, which is now working quite effectively, and it is responsible for, I'm not sure about the statistics, but as far as I know, that power station provides up to 15% of the whole electricity produced in Tajikistan, which is a good deal of the energy potential of Tajikistan. Along the lines of Gazprom, Gazprom Gas, daughter company affiliated to Gazprom, we are engaged in prospecting for gas in the well in Tajikistan. The chances are quite good that in the long run, or in the short run, we'll find energy resources in Tajikistan, and that would ensure for Tajikistan energy independence, and will raise automatically the economic potential of this republic. There are a few other projects to mention with you. It's the joint ventures in the telecoms. Two Russian mobile operators have invested in this country, and you all know all who use mobile phones know who we are. Well, I can speak longer on this subject, but I think we are short of time, and I'll just give you a few examples of the Russian-Tajik cooperation in the sphere of economy. I believe that in the course of time, we're now engaged in looking for new projects, like construction of a few other hydropower stations and other projects as well. And as I said, I'm quite optimistic in my predictions that our economic cooperation will grow